Well, I have a problem with my 240 misfiring. Number one cylinder is not firing. Need to change the spark plug. It's cold. It's very, very cold here too. So just getting near midnight. Minus 26 Celsius, feels like minus 31, so it's chilly here. That wasn't very tight either, but I rely heavily on this tractor to do the chores at night at Dad's furnace, so I prefer it to the Super W6 because the fourth gear has a nice cruising speed across to his place. I get across there and nothing flat. I don't know if this plug will work. It didn't work in the 400, but it doesn't mean it won't work in this tractor, so we'll try it. There we go. I just quit all of a sudden. Maybe you've got bare hands. I get cold, but at least in the trees it's only the minus 26 bite. Not that bad. See if this runs better down. There. Quick night repair for you. God bless you all. On the course. That was definitely firing. That's a quick late night, cold night repair. God bless you all. Catch you at the next one.